How to get rid of Reels from Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this video, I'll show you the quick way to disable Instagram Reels or get rid of Reels from Instagram. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. First, launch Instagram app on your device. So before starting the video, let me inform you that from the Instagram application, we will not be able to disable Instagram Reels as this is the inbuilt feature of Instagram. But there is one trick to get rid of Instagram Reels from Instagram. That is, we can open the web version of Instagram. For that, you can open any web browser and search Instagram.com. You need to go to the official website and there you can easily log into your particular account on your web version of Instagram, and on the web version you can simply watch different kinds of photos, but the reels will be missing on your Instagram web version. So that is it. We will not be able to disable Instagram Reels from your app itself, but you can get rid of Reels from Instagram web version. So I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.